All right, so we're back today talking about FHA 203K program qualifications. The primary borrower has to occupy the property. FHA does not allow investment where you don't occupy the property. You can also have a non-occupant co-borrower, such as a parent or family member, added to the loan to help qualify. But the non-occupant co-borrower will be on the contract and the title. For single-family homes, when you have a non-occupant co-borrower, 3.5% down payments required on the total acquisition. Remember, in our renovation world, that's purchase price plus renovations total acquisition. If you want to buy a 2 to 4 unit property and have a non-occupant co-borrower, FHA has a rule increasing the down payment to 25%. The FHA 203K program allows for 50% of the funds to be released on our limited program, and on our standard, they'll do releasing of funds for larger items like windows, flooring, kitchen cabinets, roofing, and framing. And the consultant will write that up as a first draw. So if you have any questions on, the occupancy, the down payment, and how things change, please reach out to me. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.